Hello, my name is Hovney, and this is my first video I've ever had. And I have this popcorn because I have diabetes. If you've never heard of it, it's a disease that has not been found a cure yet. And my mom is filming this, but in type 1 diabetes, you have to get shots, you have to poke your finger, yeah, all that kinds of stuff. So, anyway, today I'm going to be playing Ragdoll Avalanche 2. And it's where you have to dodge the moving spikes. Dodge the falling spikes. Ready for this? Woo, this is hard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, one life down. What did I get? 86. Ready for this again? 1 second, let me just eat a little more popcorn. After this round, I'm going to turn the volume down a little. It's loud. Alright. Wait, oh. Oops. $30. Perfect. Oh, that one like basically went through my head. That's... Ooh, that must have really hurt. Ow. What?
You need candy.
Okay. Be back in 1 second. Never mind. And anyway, for diabetes, I have to have food so I don't pass out, actually. And these. Okay. Anyway, I'm having an Oreo. I don't know why I do this, but I like to do this to make it last longer.
That one's mystery flavor. Do you have a guess?
No. I don't have a guess. Anyway, but the one who's filming this is my mom again, like I told you, and today I actually just got ready to make this video, and I'm in my house right now. And if you want to see my room, then come on. Sorry, it's a little of a mess in here, but anyway, it was really hard to set this up. A little battle here that's happening. Like we got him, them, wait. We got them, got those guys. Then we got him. We also got those guys. We got him and him.
Bye, guys.
Sorry.
You can fix that later.
What?
Fix it.
All right. So anyway, I'll come back and show you the rest of it later. Oh. And if you want to come back to seeing this game, then you're in for it. All right. Anyway, I sometimes really like wearing this. So let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a close one. Oh. How do we upload this video to the TV, actually?
I'll show you.
All right, how many did I dodge? Ooh, 51. That was pretty good. Pretty good. And that's actually what, this guy is what I'm going to be for Halloween. Marshmallow, the DJ. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, gosh. How many did I dodge?
2. 1.
Yeah, it's fun to play with one's feet. Is what that says. That literally does not make any sense. Oh, ow. Geez, that must have hurt. Oh. Ow. That really must have hurt. 38. As agile as a squashed snail? Whatever that means, I don't get it, but it's funny. Whoa. Oh. Wait, if you guys want to see something really funny in the next round, I'm going to do it anyway. So once I die in this round, then the next time I play this game, like which is the next round of this video, I will be doing something hilarious. 47. Hey, that spike curved. Then look. Wee! I can fly! I can fly! Look at me! I can fly! I can fly! Oh. Yeah, I dodged 2. We're sorry, this game is not suitable for blind people. Alright, this time, guys, we're gonna actually try. We're not gonna mess around, we're gonna try. Oh gosh! Did not expect that one. 23. Someone needs to change those lenses. Is what it seriously just said. Oh, okay. So far, doing good. Oh, crap. Hey, mushrooms of
Hallucination.
hallucination are a blast.
Okay. Well, anyways.
Alright. We're gonna see how many we can dodge. We're gonna see if we can make past my best record, which was like 80 something, I'm pretty sure. Right? I'm trying to remember.
Oh.
I think. Let's see what I got this time. 55. Tip. Watch the screen while playing. Really? That is so weird.
Rude.
Yeah, rude. That's what that is. After this video's done, should we watch it? I can't believe it. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh. Woo! How many is it?
Probably like 4. Oh, 26.
Batteries not included? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to comment what was your favorite part of this video. And click that bell and bye. Peace out.